Hi, welcome to Tips from the Hips. Probably the best tips or hips on the internet.
Misaligned or loose tenon? No problem.
Now, I made this tenon, made a mistake when I was marking out, so it ended up being a little bit proud. To fix that, I took some material off the back of the tenon, which means that it will now go flush, but of course that means that it's loose. This side is too thin, so I need to build it up. Now, if it was only a little bit I needed to build it up, then perhaps I'd take a shaving and glue that on there. But when you get something thicker, you need something like a shim, and this is just a home cut shim. So I picked myself a shim which is just the right size to bring that flush, and I can glue that to the tenon. A great fit, nice and flush. Join me again soon for more tips from the hips. Probably the best tips and hips on the internet.